Right, sorry about that, guys. Customers, you can't like. As I was saying, come across the wiring harness on the '08 Clio, and just where my finger is pointing here, there is slight corrosion. I'll see if I can get the light better for you. And that's where I'm thinking the problem is. So, what I done was opened up the harness, like so, and there's a few wires in there with corrosion on them, and one has already been repaired by the looks of it. Here, where my finger is pointing. So, they've obviously just repaired one and not repaired any others. So, I'm going to repair that, see how we get on, and I'll sign back in. Right, guys, as you can see, just snipped it, cleaned it, and put a wee connector on it temporarily, just to make sure this is the issue. Just using my wire snips. So, let's give it a try. Let's see if we've got communication. Oh, it looks like we're getting communication now. There you go. We've got communication. So just go back. Here we go. Let's give it a try. We'll try and move this out the way. Immobiliser lights on. Immobiliser lights off. Wait a couple of seconds. There we go. That's a fix, guys. That's a fix. Oh, a wee bit lumpy. That's better now. Oh. So guys, as a fix, that's me signing off on an '08 Clio wiring issue. Thanks again, and certainly watch my next video. Thank you very much. Cheers, guys. See you now.